everybody. Iceman50 here. So we're back, and I wanted to show you the latest thing I got. It's not a big accessory or upgrade, but I did get a screen protector for the GROM. We'll show you here. Hang on a second. We got all the way from across the pond, from Great Britain. We have from Speedo Angels, the screen protector. This is for the GROM. You can see we got our, that's kind of hard to see, there you go. We got our screen protector here, and it's gonna fit on just like that. So I've already cleaned this off. I got a rag here, and I already kind of cleaned everything off. So I'm gonna set you in the stand here, and we're gonna do it to it. Right? You guys let me know if you like the tripod setup. I think it's pretty nice. So let's look and see what we got here, right? Also, I do have two of them, so I'm willing to give one away. Just comment below here in the video, and I'll send you one out. All right. So we got wet fit instructions. All right. So to give you a little bag here. That's the auxiliary tools. I'm probably a little squeegee or something. Let's take a look. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Yep, just about what you'd expect from a kit like this. Forget that. Okay. So we got our little screen scraper. It looks like we got an alcohol, prep pad, and we got these little lens cleaning cloths. These are nice. All right. And what do we got here? Dust absorber. Gently peel back, dust removing tab, remove dust, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So I think we'll use the wet wipe here that they give you. I used some of this all over the whole bike. I cleaned it. This Meguiar's waterless wash and wax. And I did clean that on the screen, but this should, clean all that off. And it smells good. All right. Let's do that. Okay. Take our little cloth here. These are just like phone screen protectors, right? So that's the front. So peel one, then peel two, right? So peel one. Always double check. Okay. Try not to touch the back side, right? Otherwise it'll look all screwed up, right? So ideally inside of a garage would be better for this kind of thing. What I like to do is you just kind of let the protector do the work. Like that. We got one little teeny speck of dust. I can see it now, but it's down in the corner here. You can't really see it. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this off, and there you go. So now we've been able to put that on. You can see it's just a 2-second install here, right? So, but yeah. All right, guys. This is a quick one, and if you want the other protector, let me know. All right. We'll talk to you guys. Easy. Oh, one more thing, guys. So yesterday I was working out here, and I basically didn't drink any water or whatever. If you're going to be working outside and it's really, really hot like it has been here in the 90s, high humidity, please get some water. Make sure you come out here with some water and keep drinking, keep yourself hydrated. Yeah, I passed out yesterday and scared a lot of people. So please, if you're outside, make sure you take care of yourself and drink up. All right. We'll talk to you guys. Easy.